In the previous episodes, we have learnt the preparation of yummy and delicious jackfruit idli and raw jackfruit gashi. In this episode, let us learn to prepare a snack prepared in Malnad and Dakshina Kannada regions, and this is equally delicious and mouth-watering. It is a kind of fritters made out of jackfruit called Halasina Mulika in Kannada language. And by the way, welcome to our channel Uru Uta Upahara. If you are here for the first time, do consider subscribing to our channel and clicking the bell icon to stay connected with all our recipes. To prepare these fritters, the first step is to blend the jackfruits into fine paste. So here we are taking about 300 grams of deseeded ripe jackfruit. To this, let us add 30 grams or quarter cup of jaggery powder and blend this into a fine paste without adding any water. Once we have this thick mixture of jackfruit, let us add this to a mixing bowl. The first addition to this mixture is 1 cup or 200 grams of Bansi rava, Uppit rava or wheat rava. After rava, let us add about 30 grams of freshly grated coconut. Next in the list is 2 tablespoons of white sesame seeds. And the final addition is our king of taste, Mr. Salt. All this needs is a little salt, and then let us give this mixture a good mix. And by the way, these fritters are also made out of rice flour or rice rava, but the ones made out of wheat rava is a little more tasty. When we have given this a good mix, for rava to absorb the moisture in the mixture, let us allow this to rest for about 30 minutes. By the end of 30 minutes, let us heat some oil to deep fry our jackfruit fritters. Look at this, my dear friends. The rava in the mixture has absorbed the moisture completely, and the consistency of the batter is absolutely perfect. So it is time to dip our hands in a bowl of water, shape this into teeny tiny spears, and drop this into very hot oil carefully and gently. As soon as we start preparing this, of course the experience is brilliant, but it also fills the whole house with the aromatic bliss of the jackfruit. One of the most important points to keep in the mind is to maintain the heat of the oil at a higher degree. If the temperature drops, there is a very good chance of fritters absorbing more oil and becoming too oily. After frying these for a while, these have turned golden red in color, and also our hot, perfect and fragrant jackfruit fritters are ready. If you liked this recipe, we request you to prepare this at your homes and enjoy the bliss of this dish with your friends as well as family. And if you liked the video, do hit the like button and also share it with all your friends. Let us meet again soon. Until then, celebrate life, celebrate cooking, and have fun wherever you are.